What is up, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you how to add a fingerprint on the Galaxy S23. This works for all variants of of Samsung phones. It might vary from the Z Flip 6 or Z Flip 5, and some of Samsung's phones that have the fingerprint on the side. But this is basically where you're going to find it in settings. So yeah, so you're going to go into the settings application, and then you're going to scroll down to where you see security and privacy. Tap on that. It's going to do its little check, but you can just go ahead and scroll down and hit biometrics. And then you can either add your face or fingerprints. So over in this video, I'm just going to show you how to do fingerprints. So then enter your password, and then we can read through this if you want, and then hit continue. And then it's going to just give you some instructions. And so just hit register. And then you're going to see, or where you see that little green icon, you're just going to put your finger there. There is a screen protector on this phone, so it might kind of hinder it just slightly. I'm just going to skip this part so you don't have to watch it. Okay. And keep in mind, there is a screen protector on here, like I just said. So it did definitely hinder the use of this. So let's go ahead. As you can see, it is very fast and responsive. And it works super well, so you just pick up your phone, just tap on it, and it will be on the always on display. Just like that, so you can just always, at a moment's notice, just pick up your phone and just tap your finger and you're in. So that's just a quick little tutorial on how to set up the fingerprint scanner on your Galaxy S23. And again, this will work for the Galaxy, any Galaxy phone, and it'll just the place where you put your finger will be different on some variants of Samsung's phones. So I hope you enjoyed that quick little tutorial. If you did, please consider subscribing and checking out some of my other videos. And thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. See you then.